Hello, good evening, everyone. I welcome you to another edition of technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market. I hope my audio is clear. I'm so sorry I had to change the time for the meeting, but even now I'm not at home. I just quickly branch at the office to quickly have this meeting so that I won't keep people waiting. So, and I don't think this audio will be a very good one because I'm not with my phone here, but we will still manage it the way it is, please. I welcome you, welcome everyone. I can see, okay, someone is telling me that the audio is clear. Okay, so I can proceed. I welcome everyone. The market this week, I think the market is about to be looking up from what I can see. So I've done two things. Actually, on my Facebook page, I used to have all these things updated, but I don't really follow, I don't really keep them up to date. But what I will do now, so that to serve everyone better, I will work on the Facebook page and make sure that it's always updated. So I will send you the link to the Facebook page. You will see all the analysis that I've done in the past, and you can also follow. Then I will send you a link to the previous videos. They are not very good videos because I didn't edit them. I just put them there like that. So subsequent ones, I hope to make a more professional video in the subsequently. But what do I want to do today? I just want us to see what the market did last week and see what we should expect in the coming week. And to start with, I would like to start with the banking stocks. Just look at the banking stocks. Up till now, I've not been able to know what happened in the market. What made First Bank to go up last week? I don't know if anyone has that information. I'm so surprised to just see the price up like that. So let's start with the banking stocks. Let me share my screen, please. Then we do insurance, and I'll see what we can still do. But let me share my screen, please. Okay, I hope everyone can see my screen. So let me start with First Bank, FBNH. FBNH. I was so surprised to see the price spike up like that. You know, last week we were analyzing that this supports my likelihood, but I was expecting a pullback. I don't know what happened that pushed this price up like this. Looking at the trend, you know, 5 things that we need to consider. We check the trend, we check the momentum, we check the support and resistance, we check the overbought and oversold. Then we check volatility. So currently, price was ranging at this support level. There's a support around here, around 7 naira 21 kobo. So around 7 naira 21 kobo. Drawing my Fibonacci, because the trend is up. Number one thing that I look at to know if the trend is up, I check the parabolic star is up. So trend is up. And the cloud too, because price is above the cloud. Let me remove this other one. Okay. Price is ranging above the cloud, telling you that there is momentum in this market. Looking at my awesome oscillator again, it has crossed to the positive side and is looking as if it's going to come down. Last week it was like this, painting red, 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 red. So I thought it will pull back a bit before going up, or see this spike. So the way it is now, this is a breakout, and they call it a bullish breakout. So I expect First Bank to still get to somewhere around 8 naira 63 kobo. If it breaks that level, it gets to 9 naira 18 kobo. If it breaks that level, it gets to 9 naira 51 kobo. So that is the levels that I'm expecting for First Bank. Let's look at Access Bank. Access Bank. What do we have in Access Bank? Okay, all right. Last week too, I was saying this support may likely hold. I remember I drew this line here. I have the video, so you can get the link to the video, so we can always compare. But the level is holding. What do I expect? The trend is changing now. So because the trend is changing, then I'll need to change my Fibonacci to be looking up. So this is what I need to do this week. I'll just change my Fibonacci, let it be looking up from here to here. Assume the trend is up. So what are the levels that I'm expecting? There is no breakout yet. Looking at resistance around this level. So I still expect price to struggle. In case if the momentum is strong enough, it will break through. But the next level I'm expecting, Access Bank, the next price level should be around 9 naira 73 kobo. Then if it's able to break this resistance at 9 naira 96 kobo, I expect the price to hit 10 naira 45 kobo, 11 naira 17 kobo, and 11 naira 61 kobo. Those are the levels to expect in the coming week. Then let's look at Zenith. Let me see what happened. Okay, the support is also holding and the trend is changing. We need to change the direction of this Fibonacci to be looking up. So let me change the direction to be looking up. But mind you, price has crossed below the cloud. Price has crossed below the cloud. So I expect price to still struggle. But if the momentum is strong enough, it will break through. But looking at it this way, it's like a downtrend. It's a downtrend. Downtrend is about to start. But there are still opportunity. If you get the price around all these levels, around 22 naira 92 kobo, 23 naira, all these levels, the levels are good prices to enter, but price has already crossed below the cloud. So I expect price to struggle. Let's see what happens. If you can get it cheaper, around 22 naira 76 kobo is also a good price to enter. But what are the levels that I'm expecting price to react to? Number one, 25 naira 2 kobo. If it's able to break through, then we say it's a bullish breakout. Then what level are we expecting again? The next level to expect should be around here. So, which is 26 naira 75 kobo. Let's see. Let's watch what the week we hold. This coming week. Okay, there's a support around this place and it's holding. If that support is taken out, then there's another support around here. So that's 19 naira 53 kobo. So let's look at another banking stock. Let's look at Fidelity. Fidelity Bank. Oh, Fidelity Bank is breaking out. Let's see the possibility. I need to redraw this, my Fibonacci. Come here and draw another level here. This is breaking out. This is breaking out. What are the prices that I should expect? Sorry, what are the prices I should expect? Expect price to react to. Expect price to react to 2 naira 56 kobo. 2 naira 56 kobo. Okay. $2.56. There's another resistance around this level. $2.62. But let's see what will happen in the market this week. But the way it is, this is a rejection. Rejection, this level is holding, which is the support. Let me draw another line there at the support. Where's the next support? Next support is here. So the way it is, if this level is taken out, it's going to 2.62 kobo. What is the next bank? Let's look at Wema. Let's look at Wema. Wema Bank. Oh, this is a good price. This is a good stock. Let's see what the possibilities are. Let me delete this, my Fibonacci, because the Fibonacci now needs to change direction. The dot has crossed to the lower part. Then I draw my Fibonacci like this. Price is inside a cloud. So if these levels should hold, where are the possibilities? I expect price to hit 82 kobo. If it breaks that level, it's going to 88 kobo. There is a strong resistance around here, which is at 90 kobo. If it's able to break through this 90 kobo, then it will expose the other Fibonacci levels, which is at 94 naira, 194 kobo and 98 kobo. Looking at another stock, Unity Bank. Unity Bank. Okay, this Unity Bank is looking down, but where are the levels to enter in a downtrend? If you can get it around 52 kobo, fine, is good. But if you can also get it cheaper at around 45 kobo, is also a good entry. Then you now expect price to go back up to 51 or this level. But if this level is taken out, which is a strong resistance around here, a strong resistance around here, around 63 kobo. So if it's taken out, it's going to 75 kobo. 75 kobo. Let me look at another bank. We have GT. Yes, this GT, I don't know. This GT looks very good. You know, last week we were analyzing that this support is most likely going to hold. I can remember. So the way it is now, the support is about to hold. So looking at it, if it breaks through, the momentum has crossed to the upside. I expect a spike to prices like 28 naira 51 kobo or 29 naira 50 kobo. Possibly, it can hit 30 naira 40 kobo, which is also a very strong resistance. Let's see what will happen this week. But this is a move that I cannot, this is a strong move, is a strong move. This support is holding. So price is going back up. What again do I have? I have, okay, let's look at Skybank. Skybank. I don't think this Skybank is not tradable. Let's look at MPF. MPF. Oh, this one too is not tradable. But if you must trade this, you can enter around 1.61 kobo or 1.43 kobo. The momentum is already turning green, but price is flat. I don't know what is going to happen. This chart is not tradable. Let's look at UBA. UBA. Wow, look at this rejection. Look at this rejection. Price spiked down to this support level. and went back up. So let me draw the support. There's one support around here. This price came back and tested. There's another support around here. So, but there is a resistance. This is a resistance zone around here. So if price should break this level of 70, of 7.87 kobo, 7.87 kobo, then I expect price to go and hit 8.50 kobo. Then, if possible, we hit 9.16 kobo. Let me look at Unity Bank, Union Bank. Let's see Union Bank. Downtrend momentum is trying to pick up. If you can get it at 4.79 kobo or even lower, you can get it around 4.25 kobo. There is a support around here, and there is also a support around here, which has been broken. So we can expect price to react to this level. Let's see what happens this week. But this trend is down. This trend is down. Then there is resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. So we can zone this level, this price zone from 6 naira, then 5 naira, 80 kobo. This zone should be a resistance price. So let's look at the, I think I've covered almost all the banking stocks. Let's look at the
Stanbic.
Okay, Stanbic. But this Stanbic doesn't look tradable to me. Stanbic holding. I think I used to check it, see, it's just flat. It's just flat. But I can spot the resistance and support levels. Resistance at this level, support at this level. So the idea is just try to buy as close to the support as possible. If you can get it around 37.21 kobo, is good. It doesn't look tradable, so you cannot be checking momentum. It will not. This price is flat. Look at it. It's just flat, 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 flat. So I don't know what is going to happen. Either it's going to push up or it's going to fall. So, but looking at it, is below the cloud. So the trend is already down. So, and in this case, we want to buy as cheap as possible. So if we can get it around 37 naira, is good. Let me look at insurance. Let's look at insurance companies. Have name. WAPIC. ICO. Other insurance company can I check? Guinea Insurance. Mansard. Sovereign Trust. Okay, let me just keep it at that. Let's look at name insurance. Okay, trend is down, but looking at the momentum is flat. Price is below the cloud. We can get it around 1.80 kobo. This price is also, you can also get it at this price, because what market wants to do now, this thing next week, it can just turn, or it will come and retrace and touch this level and bounce. So those are the two possibilities. Is the resistance here. Let's see what happens next week. If this thing turns back up, then you can expect price to go and hit 2 naira 19 kobo. But at this level, if you can take the risk, you can buy. Number one is close to support than resistance. So the lower you get it is better. 1.76 kobo is also there. It's also another level to watch. Okay. Sterling Bank. Sterling Bank. Let me check Sterling Bank. Wow, okay. I think I also analyzed this last week. This stock is in a downtrend and is really struggling. Two things are likely to happen. Price can come and hit this level, 1 naira 38 kobo, and spike back. But at this level too is a good buy. You can enter at this level at current price, which is around 1 naira 47 kobo. So if you buy it there, you can hold it and see if price comes low to 1 naira 38 kobo, you can average your entry. But over the time, I'm looking at this trend line. If I have to draw a trend line here, let me draw a trend line. Looking at the trend line here, you see price is respecting this level. Okay, let me use this level. So look at the trend. So as soon as price cross above this trend, you can buy. But as investor, you need to take some risks too. Because the lower, the cheaper you get it, the better for you. This current price is a good buy. Because number one, price is already at a Fibonacci level, which is 147 kobo. So if this level did not hold this coming week, I expect this level to hold. In fact, I'm very positive. This level will most likely hold. Looking at it from the back, price came down, spike up, it now started struggling. By the time it breaks this thing, it's going to be massive. It will move fast. So it's better you just enter at this level. It's better than wait for the price to now move up like this. Then you now start chasing the market. So name insurance. Let me check name. Okay, I think I've checked this one and I've analyzed it. Let me check WAPIC. WAPIC insurance. Okay, the trend is also down. Price is below the cloud. If you get it around 46 kobo, fine. We get it around 42 kobo, better. But let's see where we have the support. One support level around 41 kobo. Another support level. This is one support level. So price is currently at a support. Where are the resistance? There's one resistance there. And there's one resistance here at this place. So at this level, you buy, wait for this extension, then this extension. Okay, what again? Let me check ICO. ICO insurance. Okay, ICO insurance. If you can get it around, okay. You can get it around 84 kobo, fine. It's 4 kobo, you know, it's looking down. It's a downtrend. So the lower you get it, the better. 72 kobo is also there. Then 53 kobo, 60 kobo, any level you can get it. But looking at it, trend line. Let's draw the trend line. See the trend. The trend is down. So most likely price will be respecting this level. Until price is able to cross above the trend line, then if you now spike up. That is what we expect. Mansard. Mansard. Okay. Wow. Okay. You see what happened here? The trend has changed, and see what the Fibonacci levels are. Currently, price is breaking through. It's close to 2 naira 14 kobo. And this is another level to watch. 1 naira 82 kobo. Those are another level you can watch. But this is a downtrend. In fact, I don't know what happened in the market last week that caused it to go down. So if you want to buy, you can buy at 1.82 naira. It's good. Sovereign trust. Okay, all right. Sovereign trust trend is down, struggling. So where are the levels to enter? 19 kobo, 16 kobo. Will price get to 16 kobo? I think the lowest that this can get to should be, is it 2 naira? And is it 2 kobo? 20 kobo rather. I think that's the lowest this stock can get to. Let me check. Okay.
Floor is 20 kobo.
Okay, floor is 20 kobo. Thank you. I just want to be sure. Okay, that's it. So floor is 20 kobo. So that's the lowest it can get to. So the closer it is to the level, the better. There is support at this level. A support at this level. And this is, see, is even currently at the support. This is a zone. This and this. And pick this as a zone. So if you get it in between here, it's good. Though the trend is down. The trend is down. Look at it. And the floor is here. So this level, we can get it. And another thing I'm seeing rejection, price rejection, meaning that price is rejecting lower low. It came low here, it went back up. It came low here, it went back up. If I see like 2-3 days, let's see another 2 trading days, and it's rejecting like that, just enter. It's a downtrend, but you can still make money in the downtrend. Let me draw this. No. I need to extend this to the height of this. Okay. So that is for sovereign trust. Let me see insurance. Let me see which one I'm leaving behind. I checked Guinea insurance. No, this is not tradable. Which other insurance company do I have here? Okay. WAPIC. Have I not checked WAPIC?
You have done WAPIC.
I've done WAPIC. Let me see. I've done WAPIC. So these are the levels to watch. Any other stock that you have in mind for me to check so that I can round up today's meeting? I will quickly upload the video now so you can just check it. I will also listen to it because I'm not even very prepared for this class. Owando. Oh, you can see this breakout. You can see this breakout in Owando. Look at it. Look at it. I think we analyzed this in last week. Look at what price is doing. See, it broke above the cloud. Is a breakout. Let's see the next level. The next level should be 5 naira 82 kobo. Let's see whether it gets there in this coming week. So, which other one? Any other one? There's another one that I used to check. Livestock field. I've been watching this stock since. Livestock field. I've been watching it since. You see, it just broke out. Last week we were seeing it here, and I was saying, will it hold? Will it not hold? See, it wanted to go back up. I need to change this this Fibonacci.
You said we should wait for a green day.
But we've seen green day now. These are 5 days.
Yes, I've been in it long before now, really.
Okay. So, you know, this rejection, I can remember I told you this rejection and price was looking like this. This green day like this, you just follow it.
Yes.
Yeah. So let me delete the Fibonacci. I need to redraw it because my parabolics have changed. So where are the levels to watch? we can watch this level, 2 naira 50 kobo. Let's see what happens this week if price will get there. You see, it's rejecting this level. You see, price came down, touched this level, and became red. You understand? That's price rejection. It touched this level, became red. Let's see what happens on Monday. If this thing should stand up again, green, that's a breakout pullback continuation pattern. So you expect a spike to 2 naira 50 kobo. Which other stock do we have in mind? Let me check my Facebook.
Can we look at Japan Gold?
Japan Gold. Japan Gold. Okay. All right. This is downtrend. This is downtrend. So where are the possibilities? Possible entries around. Okay, you see price is currently respecting this level. This is one level. Price is currently, because you can see weak. It's touching it, becoming weak. Touching it, becoming weak. Touch it, weak, but it has body, telling you that there is momentum to the downside. So you can wait for this level, 39 kobo. 39 kobo. If it breaks this level, it goes to 34 kobo. So which other one?
Price code.
Can you look at Dangote Cement? Dangote Cement.
Dangote Cement. This is not tradable, but looking at it, price is above the cloud. When it came around here, see, was rejected. And this is a breakout. This is a breakout. It has broken all the resistance. Look at this resistance. Look at this resistance. So price has already broken it. What do I expect? I expect price to keep going. If whatsoever caused this move is still valid in the market, it will push it to levels like 83, 83 naira 43, 89 naira 51, 91 kobo.
Yeah, I say, when are you going to fix it?
Fix what, sir?
Laji is on another call.
Okay, Dangote. Is it Dangote Cement? Wow, see breakout. Price was holding above the cloud. And this is one thing I know about this cloud. If price should be bouncing on the cloud, it will break out. Look at this breakout. That is the same thing that happened in First Bank FBNH. I did not look at the stock very well. It was bouncing above the cloud. I should have known that this thing will spike up. Anytime price is bouncing above the cloud, it will spike up. I think I've learned a lesson. I missed this, and I've been watching this stock since, and I missed this move. I was expecting a pullback. But that's the way trading is. So, any other thing so that I can round up? I only have any other thing? Do we have anything? So, in the absence, hello?
We don't have, but we appreciate your comment.
Thank you, sir.
We appreciate your comment that you acknowledge a time that no matter how one look at it, the market can outperform him.
Yes.
And that is the best lesson for all of us.
Yes. So
because people
that's why we need to just take risks sometimes.
Yes.
All right, sir. Goodbye, everyone. So
where do we get the video? Where do we get the video? Because we didn't start at 7.
Just check your chat now.
Really?